Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video, we're not going to talk about lasers, we're going to talk about SLA 3D printing. So I had a car washer, actually headlight washer, and for my car, for my GS 300 Lexus, and I lost one while driving. So I needed to get a new one with this actually component. So I tried to find on eBay and on local stores, and I didn't find anything. So I decided to make a model of this component, this part, and for this one. As you can see from this perspective, they look pretty much the same, and I really like about resin 3D printing that it's very, very strong and solid. So this model, once it's 3D printed, it should not be affected by high and low temperature. And as you can see, for these two models, these two components, they also look pretty much the same. So yeah, it took some time to make full 3D model for this headlight washer, and now I plan to bring it to car service, and I hope that they can easily paint it. And we will install this thing over here. So that's, according to my observation, it looks pretty much the same, and we made this model. What's also good about SLA 3D printing, that you can do an empty space here, and it's really working model. Let me show you the model itself. This one was made on FreeCAD, and it's available on Thingiverse. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned with Endurance Lasers and follow our progress. Visit our website endurancelasers.com and our online store endurance-lasers.com to learn more about our lasers and about our research and development projects.